How to use Merlin drone Magix to measure a pool cover. Welcome to Merlin Drone Magix, your smart, fast way to measure for new or replacement safety pool covers using drone photography. Let's walk through everything you need to do from start to finish. Let's review gathering your supplies. So before you begin, unpack your drone Magix measuring kit and make sure you have all your supplies. 4 numbered measuring discs, aluminum rivets, small 2-inch disc for anchor visibility, brass anchor inserts and flanges, Allen wrenches, hex tool, and you should bring your own measuring tape, laptop, or mobile device for transferring photos. If you're using Kit B, you'll also need your own drone. We recommend a drone equivalent to a DJI Mini 3 or better. Check your drone setup. Your drone must meet these requirements. It should have a 48 megapixel resolution or better, a 4K video and photo capability, a gimbal that can shoot straight down at 90 degrees, a stable hover and photo download to your device. Also, make sure you're a licensed operator and follow all FAA and local drone flight regulations. Let's prep your job site. Review the full instruction guide that's part of your kit. Drone Magix works on pools with or without the safety cover. As long as the cover is taut, most debris and standing water are removed, and importantly, you have a clear view around the entire pool perimeter. How to best position the measurement discs for pools without existing anchors. This is a 2-person job. We'll start by pushing an aluminum rivet that's contained in your kit through the center hole of each of the large discs. Before setting out the disc, make sure you can measure between each one. There should be no obstacles in your way. Place the discs outside of the pool perimeter if possible, and try to create a rectangle with the 4 discs. Place the 4 numbered discs in a clockwise rectangle around the pool. Use the small disc to mark any hidden or tarnished anchor points. And now, you're ready to begin to take measurements. For pools with existing anchors, choose 4 existing anchors that form a rectangle, and those 4 anchors will be around the perimeter of the pool. If needed, remove the anchor inserts and attach discs using the brass inserts that are contained in your kit. If you don't want to remove them, just simply use the Allen wrenches directly into the inserts. Place the 4 numbered discs in a clockwise rectangle around the pool. Again, make sure the discs are in a clockwise orientation. Use the small disc to highlight any hard-to-see anchors. If an obstacle like a slide or ladder blocks the view from above, use bright yardsticks to locate a footing or legs of the slide or dive board. Also, place one of the small diameter discs on the slide or dive board at the approximate center of each of the footings. This helps our design team identify the obstacle shape and size during the design process. Once that's completed, you're ready to begin to take measurements. Let's review measuring your cross dimensions. You're going to measure between each disc to the nearest 1/4 inch. Record the 6 cross dimensions in your Drone Magix measuring sheet, which is included in your kit. Or you can record them in the mobile Magix app if you're a seasoned Magix operator. Let's review the pre-flight checklist. Remember to fully charge your drone and controller. Remove the lens cover. Power on both the controller and drone. set the camera to auto mode, and the photo format should be set to JPEG. Also, set the aspect ratio to 4:3. And it's always a good idea to check weather conditions. And make sure there are no obstacles like trees or power lines in your drone's flight path. And finally, confirm the drone operator understands the procedure. Now you're ready to take off and get the perfect drone photo. Keep your drone as close to the center of the pool as possible, but high enough to see all the measurement discs, the anchors, the pool decking, and maintain a clear field of view. Avoid branches or other obstructions. Submitting your work. You can submit your work through email. Email a photo of the form and the photos to orders@merlinindustries.com. Submitting your work through the mobile Magix app. Log in with your dealer credentials. Enter all dimensions per the instructions. Upload your photos. Tap Send Mail to submit your job for quoting. Once received, Merlin will generate your quote. When you're ready to place your order, email us to convert your quote into a job. With Merlin Drone Magix, take flight, measure right.